siya yung mas sweet.
Mas,
That makes sense, that makes
Ganda
sense.
naman combination na. Okay. Ay, ito, I think, sige, gusto din natin malaman lahat to eh. Sino ang unang nag-I love you?
Hindi na lang din niya.
I think napanood natin lahat yan. Alam niyo ba kung anong date nun? Sinong makakaalala? Anong date yun last year?
Meron na ako narinig, sinabi na ano.
Okay, show us your answers in 3, 2, 1.
Galing! Let's say somewhere na you can ride a motorcycle too from Manila.
Yes.
Sige, let's make it a little bit easier for you guys. Meron ba kayong pinupuntahan? Usually, out of town, di talagang gusto ng lugar, for the two of you.
Para sure.
No, we're just looking for one.
Sabi ni Nadine, pwede
Good.
mo ba maglista ng marami para sure?
Okay, tignan natin kung tama yung ililista nilang dalawa. Ready na din? Hindi sure? Tignan natin. Let's just try. 3, 2, 1, let's go! May bahay ka ba sa Tagaytay, James?
Wala yun. Maganda yung bahay ko.
Mukhang Tagaytay.
Malayo ang katipunan.
Very na.
From here, malayo.
Malay ko ang gusto ko sa bahay mo.
Bakit mo sa bahay mo, James? Okay.
Alright. Next question. What is James's favorite Yamaha Neo motorcycle?
Kung kanina si Nadine, ngayon si James naman. He also mentioned it a while ago.
Tsaka, dalawa rin ang binigay ni James kanina.
Isa na okay lang.
Pero okay lang, kahit isa.
Hindi okay.
Yes. Clue, bagay na bagay sa suot ni James ngayon.
Oh, tsaka yung isa, if I'm not mistaken, i-mention din kanina ni Nadine.
Oo, parang may pareho yata kayo eh.
Si
Okay.
Nadine yung itsura pa, oh, tama mo itong sunulan ko.
Alright.
Okay, let's reveal.
3, 2, 1. Wonderful!
Wow! Very good!
Sakto talaga.
Good job!
Buti na lang isa lang yung sinulat niya kasi hindi ko maalala yung isa.
Buti na lang tumama.
So far, 5 points na! Naman ngayon.
Correct. Hindi pa tapos ang Valentine
Oo nga. Tsaka alam natin lahat, important talaga ang month na to para sa J-Team, di ba?
Okay na?
Sige. Okay. One thing that Nadine cannot live without.
Yes. Nahihirapan. Sabi ni Nadine, makikiligin daw ninyo lahat.
I was gonna make them kilig.
Gonna make them kilig, James. So kung meron isa na hindi na kaya mabuhay kung wala, hindi ko alam ko na yun.
Oh my! Nagpapaano mo siya eh? Alright, dinadagdagan ni James yung sagot niya. Okay.
Okay. Hindi ko tama. 3, 2, 1, go!
In fairness ha?
Yes! Yung katabi ko!
Ano ang pinatatakutan ni James?
Is it a thing? A place? A person? A thing? I don't know.
Ayan, talagang they're thinking hard about their questions. Guys, talagang hindi nila alam yung questions. Huh? Oh, no, we haven't. But I think you'd know. Okay. Alright, let's show their answers in 3, 2, 1! It follows.
Ayan!
Alawan kami. Hindi ko siya na-gets. Nakakatakot siya super. At hindi ko na-explain kasi mahaba. Basta panoorin nyo.
O, panoorin nyo na lang yan.
This is the first time na nakita kong takot na takot siya ha, ever. Never ko pa siya nakita natakot. Okay, Nadine, gusto namin malaman kung paano yun. Paano ba matakot ang isang James Reid?
Ano yung reaction ni James Reid?
Paano siya matakot?
Wala siya, sa movie na to, wala siyang jump scares, like,
So, hindi siya yung...
Hindi siya gulat factor.
Hindi siya gulat factor.
like, Like, totoong horror like.
Horror talaga na nakakatakot. Something that you will remember when you're alone in your room, something like that.
Something like that. Or
Oh,
in a room with a lot of
praning.
people.
Even when you're,
Anywhere.
pa everyday. Pag pinanood mo itong movie na ito, mapapraning ka everyday.
Oh, so sa inyo lahat,
Grabe.
tatandaan, It Follows. Yan ang movie na talagang kinatakutan ni James Lee. So, ano ang favorite anime character ni Nadine? Okay. Interesting.
Nasabi ko kanina sa game din eh, no? Yung favorite talaga ni Nadine na yung Japanese culture.
Nadine, nagbago ba yung favorite mo na anime character? Was this from before when you were still a kid? Yes?
Do you think James knows the answer? Alam niya raw.
Dapat alam. Okay.
Mukhang confident naman si James. Alright, let's reveal it. In 3, 2, 1!
Naruto! Ang galing!
Alam nilang lahat eh. Alam nilang lahat.
So you got 8 out of 10. Not bad at all. Kinalang nyo nga yung isa't isa. So palakpakan natin si James and Nadine.
Congrats! Alright, now what do you guys consider the most romantic gift that you can give each other?
Could be the most romantic gift.
That you could give to each other?
Actually, yun lang naman gusto ko. So,
Si James Lee. Very nice answer from the two of you.